How does forensic medical record analysis pinpoint injury? Imagine trying to solve a mystery where every clue is hidden in pages of medical charts. That's what forensic medical record analysis does in personal injury cases. It's like piecing together a puzzle to find out exactly what happened to someone's body after an accident. When a person files a claim, collecting all their medical records is the first step. These records include hospital charts, test results, doctor notes, and treatment plans. Investigators and lawyers review these documents carefully to see what injuries were documented and when. They look for patterns or inconsistencies that can tell the story of how the injury happened. Forensic analysis helps confirm that injuries are real and directly linked to the incident. It checks if the medical records are complete and authentic, making sure there are no errors or fake entries. Experts compare what the records say about the injury with what the injured person reports. If the records show a broken bone or a torn ligament, the analysis verifies if that matches the injury described by the person. They also look at imaging tests like X-rays or MRIs to see the severity of the injury. These objective tests help prove the injury is serious and not exaggerated. Another important part is causation. The analysis determines if the injury likely resulted from the accident in question. For example, if a person claims to have hurt their back in a fall, the medical records should show signs consistent with that fall. Experts also examine how the injury is progressing over time. This helps estimate the long-term impact and recovery chances. They review treatments prescribed and whether the patient followed the doctor's advice. If the records show consistent treatment and positive responses, it supports the claim. If not, it might raise questions about the injury's severity or cause. In the investigation and discovery phase of a personal injury case, lawyers use this analysis to gather solid proof. It helps them build a case that the injuries are real, caused by the incident, and serious enough to warrant compensation. Forensic medical record analysis turns subjective complaints into clear, factual evidence that courts and insurance companies can understand. It's a key step in making sure the injured person gets fair treatment and proper compensation for their pain and suffering.